Greetings. Welcome to the Trading with Nimve YouTube channel. I am excited to share my knowledge and experience in trading with you. In this channel, you can find a variety of videos that will help you improve your Forex trading skills. From analyzing charts and identifying market trends to understanding technical indicators, risk management and writing trading robots to automate the process, I will cover everything you need to know to become a successful trader. I upload new videos frequently, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I am always happy to engage with my viewers and help them in any way I can. So, sit back, relax, and join me on this exciting journey of trading. Together, we can achieve financial freedom and reach our goals. Today, many people in our countries looking for new ways to earn extra income. One popular option is to engage in various side hustles or part-time businesses. For example, some people are doing drop shipping, which is a business model where you sell products online without keeping any inventory. Instead, you purchase the products from a third-party supplier who ships them directly to your customers. This can be a great way to earn money without having to invest a lot of capital up front. Another option is to trade cryptocurrency, which involves buying and selling digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. While this can be a high-risk investment, it can also be very profitable if you know what you're doing and stay up to date with the latest market trends. And of course, there are many other online businesses you can start with just a computer and an internet connection. Whether you're interested in freelancing, affiliate marketing, or creating your own products, there are endless opportunities to make money online. Ultimately, the key to success in any side hustle or business venture is to find something you enjoy doing and are good at, and to stay committed to it even when things get tough. With hard work and perseverance, you can turn your side hustle into a thriving business and achieve financial independence. Forex trading, or foreign exchange trading, is a type of investment where individuals or businesses buy and sell currencies with the aim of making a profit. It involves exchanging one currency for another at an agreed-upon price. Forex trading is one of the largest financial markets in the world, with trillions of dollars being traded every day. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, allowing traders from all over the world to participate. It is a highly volatile market, meaning that prices can change rapidly in response to various economic and political events. Traders use a variety of techniques and strategies to try to predict market movements and make profitable trades. While Forex trading can be a lucrative way to make money, it is also a high-risk investment. Traders need to have a deep understanding of the market and be prepared to absorb potential losses. It is important to approach Forex trading with caution and to never invest more than you can afford to lose. In summary, Forex trading is the buying and selling of currencies in the hopes of making a profit. It is a high-risk investment that requires knowledge, skill, and caution. I understand that Forex trading can be a complex and challenging process. As an expert, I can tell you that it takes years of experience and a deep understanding of the market to become successful. However, if you're looking for practical advice on how to profit from Forex trading without delving into the theory behind it, I can certainly provide you with some tips and strategies that have worked for me. In future videos, I'll be explaining the MetaTrader 4 platform in detail so that you can easily understand the features and functionalities it offers. Currently, I have been trading in the Forex market for about 10 to 12 years, and I have gained some experience in identifying trends. I would like to share this knowledge with you, so that you can benefit from it. Even though I have experienced some losses during certain periods, overall, I have been able to achieve a good profit. In future videos, I will explain to you about how to manage risks and losses, and how to increase your chances of making profits. I am a software engineer, and over the years, I have developed code to automate my trades and gain profits in the Forex market. I have used my knowledge and expertise in programming to create scripts and programs that can help me analyze market trends and make better trading decisions. In fact, the video playing in the background is a capture of one such automatic trading script that I have developed and used successfully. In my upcoming videos, I'll be sharing a step-by-step guide on how to write code to automate your trades. I'll walk you through the process and provide you with all the necessary information you need to get started with automated trading. By the end of these videos, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create effective trading algorithms that can help you earn profits in the Forex market. In the next video, we will start by choosing the right Forex broker for your trading style. It is important to choose a reliable broker and then create a practice account to become familiar with the trading platform. By doing this, we can learn about the different features and options available to us and get comfortable with the platform before trading with real money. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel, Trading with Nimve, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until the next video, stay hopeful.